Hi, this is an introduction to the Moodle block. Now, blocks are the things that appear on the side of our course, and you can see in this one in particular, there are no blocks added at all. To add blocks, you just turn your editing on and you have this spot on the side that says add a block. By default, you have these blocks available, and as you level up in your Moodle instructor levels, you'll be able to add more and more blocks. Basically, to add a block, you just select it and it appears on the page. You can then use this crosshairs here to move it to a different location on your course. And for instance, the activity block lists all the activities that are currently available in this course, meaning that students, if they wanted to find just assignments, could click on the word assignments and it shows all the assignments in the course, broken up by what topic the assignments are currently in. If they wanted to see the forums, they'd see what forums. Again, this forum is called announcements, quizzes. It shows what topic the quiz is in, and if there was multiple topics in the class, it would be broken down that way. That's what the activities one does. You can play with these. Basically, the calendar one just adds the calendar to your class. Most classes already have the calendar set up, and the benefit of having the calendar is obviously that all the things that you add as far as assignments then show up on the calendar highlighted for the students to see. As you add items, you see they don't show up anymore. You can't see calendars or activities because it's already on, and many blocks you can't put on more than once. So you may want to play with the blocks in your course, decide which ones you want, like my grades let me know what things I have to, or this one gives me the grades that I have in all my classes. And to delete, I just hit the little icon and go delete my grades. It says yes. Many of these are already someplace else, so you don't have to add them. People lets you see the people that are assigned to the class. You can click on them and then you'd see all the students that are in your particular class assigned for this one item. And you can play with the blocks. There's really no assignment for this section on blocks. It's just to introduce you to them, let you play with them. Quickmail is one that I use all the time in my class. It allows me to quickly email all the people in my class. In fact, I'm going to jump over to my class to kind of show you how that works. If I go and use Quickmail, I can compose a mail and I can send it to specific people in my class or specific groups. So if I just wanted to go to this group, I can add that group. If I only wanted to go to any specific group, obviously I only have one section of hardware, I can email to all those students at one time. You can see the groups that those students are in. So I can add a group, add an attachment, type in the subject and the email, and then just hit send email, and it's an easy way to communicate with all the students in my class at one time. So I use that one in particular a lot. It's the one block that I would highly recommend everyone using. The rest of these I don't really use the activity one, although some teachers do because it's another way for students to be able to find things in your classes. But that's an introduction to the side blocks. Again, you can put them however you want to. When they're on there, students can collapse them or dock them. If they're docked, they're over here, meaning that you have to hover over them, and then you can undock them if you want to as well. And that's the Moodle block.